In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly log into your Zoho Mail account without any hassle. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Zoho Mail, or simply search Zoho Mail login in Google. Once on the page, click the sign in button at the top right corner. Now enter your email address, which could be your name at zoho.com or your name at your domain.com, depending on your setup. After that, type in your password carefully since it's case sensitive. Click sign in and you'll be taken straight to your inbox. If you have any issues, just double check for typos or reset your password if needed. And that's it. You're all set to access your Zoho Mail. Keep your login details safe and remember to sign out when using shared devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.